Alright, so let me tell you what actually happened, because this issue almost made me give up for the day. I woke up this morning, opened Steam, clicked on Dota 2 like normal, and Steam just straight up said nope. An error popped up saying an error occurred while launching this game, disk write error. No explanation, no help, just vibes. At first I didn't take it seriously. I thought, okay, Steam update problem, happens all the time. So I tried updating Dota 2, failed. Tried again, failed again. At this point I'm already annoyed. Then I restarted Steam as administrator. This time it actually looked promising. It showed downloading data, then updating files, and I was like, okay, finally. And then it got stuck at 1%. Not slow, literally stuck. I waited, nothing moved. So yeah, I did the usual stuff. Verified game files, didn't work. Restarted Steam again, still nothing. Same disk write error, like Steam was mocking me. Then I thought maybe my drive is dying or something. So I freed up space, moved files around, copied stuff from one drive to another. Everything moved perfectly fine. No errors, no slow speed, nothing. That's when I knew my drive is completely okay. And that's when it clicked. This is not a Dota 2 problem. This is not a disk problem. This is a Steam problem. I don't know what exactly breaks inside Steam when this happens, but something clearly goes wrong. So listen carefully here. Do not uninstall the game. Don't delete folders. Don't panic. What I did was I went to control panel and uninstalled Steam only. That's it, just Steam. After that, I opened my browser, downloaded Steam again, installed it fresh, and logged into my account. Now Dota 2 was not showing in my library, which is normal, so don't freak out. I went to the store, searched for Dota 2, clicked install, and Steam asked where to install it. My game files were already on my G drive, so I selected that same drive. This part is important. If you don't select the correct drive, Steam will download the full game again. I didn't want that. Once I selected the drive, Steam started downloading only a small update, like around 150 MB, and then it started installing files. This time the updating files part wasn't stuck. It was moving fast, like how it should. After that, Steam started validating the files. It took a while, so yeah, just let it do its thing. And then finally, the play button appeared. I clicked it and Dota 2 launched normally like nothing ever happened. After wasting so much time, that's how the issue got fixed. So yeah, if you're stuck with this disk write error and nothing makes sense anymore, try this. It worked for me after trying literally everything else. I'm just sharing what actually worked, not guessing. Hopefully this saves you some time and stress. Alright, that's it. Good luck, and yeah, Steam be Steam.